Hi there, Mike Leskin with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. I've added the option of using regular expressions in the find and replace dialog, and that gives you the ability to do some pretty powerful things, but you do have to be familiar with how to write regular expressions. There are all kinds of great tutorials on that on the internet. I'm not going to teach you how to write those expressions, but I want to show you what's possible with them. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a large tune book here. This is going to be the 116 tunes in the CCE Dublin 2001 tune book. So we've got 116 tunes. And in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all of these B tags. So you can see that each one has a different B tag here. This is FS1.08, FS1.16. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go into the find and replace. I'm going to create a regular expression, and this is what the format of this one is. Basically, it says from the start of the line, I'm looking for a B, then a colon, then any number of characters after that, and then a carriage return. And then I'm going to replace it with nothing. And if I just do a find, you'll see that it finds each one of these things. But the actual text of it is different, and this is what's possible with regular expressions. Now I'm just going to do a replace all. And you can see now that they've all gone away and we've replaced 116 instances. Another thing we could do here, for example, is you can see we have all of these X tags. If I wanted them all to be X1, even though they're all different here, I can do the same sort of thing. I can go to find and replace. I can create a rule that says I'm looking for X tags with anything after them, and I'm going to replace them with X1. And if I do a find next, you'll see it finds each of the X tags. But now I'm going to go ahead and replace all of them. And you can see now we've replaced all 116 tunes, and they all have the same X tag. Let me give you a more complicated example here. I'm going to go ahead and clear this, and I'm going to open up a tune book that has a lot of chords in it. So here's one of my tune books that has all these chords. And let's say I wanted to, for some strange reason, replace every single one of those chords with an F chord. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the find and replace. I'm going to paste in that pattern. This basically says find every instance where there's a double quote and then some characters followed by another double quote. And I'm going to replace every single one of those with an F chord. And if we just do a find next, you'll see that it just kind of walks through each of the chords. I'm going to click replace all. And you can see now it's replaced every single one of the chords in the entire tune book with an F. So regular expressions are extremely powerful, but they can be a bit daunting at first. Like I said, there are some excellent tutorials on the web on how to write them. So I'm using the JavaScript format for the regular expressions. You don't need to put in the slashes or anything like that for the regular expression, and you don't need to put any flags in. I take care of all of that for you.